Hello, friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we delve into the exciting world of home and office decor. Join us as we explore the innovative ideas, offer practical tips, and inspire you to transform your living spaces into stylish heavens that reflect your unique personality and boost productivity. In our channel, we bring you a wide range of content dedicated to home decor and office decor. Whether you are looking to revamp your living room, spruce up your bedroom, or create a productive workspace, we have got you covered. Our video offer a wealth of inspiration, expert advice, and step-by-step tutorials to help you achieve stunning results. Here, what you can expect from our channel. Number one, inspiring room tours. Take a visual tour through beautifully designed homes and offices that showcase various decor styles, from modern and minimalist to cozy and eclectic. Get inspired by the creative use of color schemes, furniture arrangements, lighting, and accessories. Number two, DIY projects. Discover fun and budget-friendly do-it-yourself projects that add a personal touch to your decor. Learn how to create custom wall art, repurpose old furniture, craft unique decorative items, and more. We provide detailed instructions and tips to ensure your projects turn out beautifully. Number three, product reviews and recommendation. Stay up to date with the latest trends in home and office decor as we review and recommend furniture, lighting fixtures, accessories, and other essential items. We share our honest opinions and insights to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Number four, space organization and storage solutions. Maximizing space is crucial for both homes and offices. We offer practical tips and clever storage solutions to keep your surroundings clutter free and organized. From closed organization to desk decluttering, we have got plenty of ideas to help you optimize your space. Thanks.